So today is our volunteer recognition ceremony, and the purpose of this is to let our volunteers know how much we value them and how much they mean not just to our department in Fairfax County government, but to the entire county and the communities and people in it.
Here in NCS, we understand that our volunteers play such a huge role in forming developmental relationships with our community members and with our residents in the county, whether you're of an age of birth to 5, all the way to our older adult population or seniors or folks who are aging in place. So we have an awesome, I would call, spectrum of services and groups of folks that we serve. And none of that is possible without our volunteers.
Our volunteers are part of actually our mission and vision in NCS. At NCS, we believe in connecting communities to an access of resources, and that continuum is only made possible because of our volunteers. They really are part of the core of what we do as an agency, and they help transform the community from the inside out and outside in.
NCS had 985 active volunteers in 2023. And I have on my talking points here, I have an estimate there that the volunteer time was worth at least $500,000 annually. And I'm just gonna say that is very, very much an underestimate. The value of volunteer time, the value of people who really care about their community and get involved is well more than 500,000, and I'll be cliche. It is invaluable.
Well, we know that what volunteers do is not paid at all. It's the nature of volunteer work, and so we want to make sure that they know that we see you, we value you, and we want you here, and what you do is important, and this wouldn't be possible without you. Thank you so much for all that you do, volunteers, and if you're interested in volunteering, thank you in advance, because truly the function of the county agency wouldn't be possible without you.